Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's the health issue of our times, mental health. It's the 21st century health issue. I speak as a former health secretary in recognising that change, and what I've noticed is it's not just about kind of supporting people with mental health issues with regards to clinical services or medication. Actually, the best thing you can do is give people informal space where they can come together, people who can speak with people who've been in a similar position. That is in many ways the best therapy that you can give to people.
Over the years, the more we've delved into the mental health space, the more we realise that there are more and more groups that need support. So we've grown over the years to now where we have 15 different mental health projects supporting 15 different groups of people. And now the People's Places, it's a celebration of that. It's helped to change the narrative around mental health as well. A lot of the time, people can sometimes think of negative things when they hear the words mental health and automatically think of depression or anxiety. But we all have mental health. It's about celebrating our mental health, looking after ourselves, and also joining together mental health and physical health as well.
Up until today, you could only imagine what it can do, but having seen a couple of sessions, it's unquestionable that I think being able to have a catalyst and to break the barriers down, that's the most important thing. To have something where people can feel confident to come and say, come on in, let's talk about it. And I think this facility will be second to none. It's a first for Everton, but more importantly, it's a first in football, and I'm absolutely certain it's not going to be the last.
So the current campus here, this has been about 10 years in the making, and it's been a complete transformation of what was derelict land and dilapidated buildings being transformed into these impressive buildings, which provide such an important purpose with our place-based approach in particular. But in terms of what will be delivered, it'll provide space for a whole range of different activities, which are all proven to improve mental health. That'll include physical activity, arts and culture. It'll include talking therapies, education, employment-related activities. The real kind of exciting part of it as well is we'll be utilising various tools such as virtual reality and immersive experience as well to complement that delivery. We also have a layer of professional support. So we have our own GP, we have a clinical team. So we can provide clinical services here to achieve clinical outcomes, but importantly in a venue which is in the community. It's informal, it's non-clinical, it's accessible, and it's all part of that wider movement in terms of moving healthcare out of hospitals into the community.
We made Howard's Way the film, myself and Rob Sloman, and we gave all the proceeds from that to it. So yeah, we've really got behind it, and I think it's a really special day today. From my point of view, the easy part is to help financially. It's all the people on the ground here who do the job that they do that make a real difference. And we all have to recognise that what we're doing is enabling them to do the real work. We're just helping.
Football can reach people in a way that other things just can't, and it's why I think Everton is first again in setting a new lead with regard to what football clubs can do to support the mental health and well-being, not just of their supporters, but the wider community.